think there's so many benefits to playing all sorts of sports. I think just the social interaction, the challenges, the ups, the downs, how hard you have to work at things, the resilience that you build through the wins and through the losses. So I think it has completely built me as a person and who I am.
The one that sticks out to me is gymnastics. I think just doing gymnastics from a young age, thinking about that core strength from a young age, I think really helped me.
When you watch football, they use the width really well, so I love using the width in netball. So it educated me a lot of different styles and techniques and tactics, and I kind of always had a good brain for sport growing up.
Yeah, I think it just really taught me the benefit of teamwork. I made so many friends through playing sport. Sport was a huge part of our school community as well, and yeah, just really enjoyed it.
I'm so much more confident than I am now. I find it a lot easier to speak in front of cameras and speak in front of audiences. I have great relationships with people. I walk into a room and I just don't get nervous. Like, I am completely and utterly a total different person, and sport has given me such a different perspective on life.
Everything I've learned from netball I've been able to sort of apply outside of things. I think it's just working the highs and lows and the challenges and being able to implement that everywhere. I think it's the social aspect as well, being in a team sport and often coming into groups where you have to know nobody, and then you ultimately they all become really good friends. I think that's a key skill that I can then take anywhere.
Definitely as you grow older, you learn to respect what different people bring and understand that everybody's different and has different strengths and weaknesses, and how you can support people to bring the best out of them.
I think it's taught me how to be hardworking, it's taught me how to look out for others, it's taught me absolutely the true meaning of commitment, and yeah, I'm just really happy that I've had the opportunity to play netball at this level for so many years, because I think it's definitely shaped the way I am now.
I think there's so many transferable skills that I've gained through netball. I think I've had 2 significant knee injuries, so the resilience to be able to go through the rehab and return to sport is something that I've really valued and something that I will take on in life in the future as well.